these are all the PLLs that I use. Now, you may not use most of these or use different finger tricks for them, but these are the ones I would recommend using and the finger tricks that I use. You can find full videos on each of these PLLs on my channel in the PLL playlist, and I will link that playlist in the description. And the timestamps will be in the description with each PLL and with each category. So let's get right into the video. So these are all the edge permutation cases, and I will be mirroring them because I do my M moves with my right hand and my U moves with my left hand, and most of you do your M moves with your left hand, so just so you know, I'll be mirroring them to show you what it looks like. So for the JB Perm, there are two ways to finger trick it. I'll show you one, and then I'll show you the second one here. So for the F perm, there's also two ways you can finger trick it. I'll show you the first one and then the second one. Now for the second one, you start in home grip like this. I personally prefer the first one, but you can choose either to finger trick.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any different finger tricks or PLLs, make sure to comment them below because there are a lot of different finger tricks that I bet most of you have, and a lot of algorithms that I didn't use that most of you use. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.